Hey, how y'all doing today? Listen, I just did put up a chandelier for a good buddy of mine, good friend of mine. I just put up a chandelier. Nice, just a last minute thing. He wanted it done. You know what I mean? I put a couple TVs on the wall too, but hey, not here nor there. You all saw me did that before, so put a nice little chandelier, his crib. Not to say a man cave, because that's his place. You know what I mean? But I just did a video of it. I did a video of it, this little short segment of it. You know what I mean? Something I know you probably would like it. You know what I mean? Nice chandelier. It's a nice little small mini one. You know what I mean? So, check it out and see. You know what I mean? It's a nice one. I think I did a pretty good job. It's a plug-in one. He didn't want it nothing but a switch or anything like that. He just wanted it a plug-in one. So I did one, and we went to Lowe's and got the wires and everything, and I did the wires for the plugs and everything. So just check the video out. You know what I mean? Just take a look at it. there it is, man. Did you like it? Nice, you know what I mean? So, hey, if you like, share it, you know what I mean? And if you love my channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Y'all take care, man. And before I go, I'll let you guys know, you know, this pandemic is upon us, you know what I mean? COVID is still around us, you know what I mean? We have to practice safe distance, you know, and social distance, you know, safe distance, same thing. But we have to wear our masks, you know what I mean? I'm in the vehicle, so, you know what I mean? I always travel with my mask, and I got the other ones too, you know, so it don't matter. So I always carry a mask with me. So always carry a mask, you know what I mean? Respect people's distance, okay? And do what is right, you know what I mean? Until the government do something about this, okay? But for right now, we have to protect our families, okay? And quite a few of us are working from home, you know what I mean? Not many wants to do that, but hey, if it helps, it helps. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my channel. Okay, and if you like the view, share it. But if you love the content, subscribe. Once again, thank you, and y'all take care. I love you guys. Shout out to Trilla. Appreciate you, man. Take care of yourself, man. God bless you.